Just before Christmas on a frosty morning, it was time to return the Lotus Evora GT back to Aston Martin and Lotus of New England. That's when I found my first shortcoming of the mono wiper.
We may be finding the shortcomings of the mono wiper.
But we'll give it a pass. More importantly, on an unseasonably warm Christmas day, my mom was holding up traditions making her famous French toast while I was outside washing and desalinating a very dirty E92 M3. My sister and her husband came up with their dog Zelda from Philadelphia, no longer living in Salt Lake City if you're a real OG subscriber. After a nice breakfast and a quick wash, I was able to open my favorite Christmas gift of all, wrapped in blue tape.
We're getting a little bit of break from the crazy cold weather this winter, and that means I gotta wash the M3 so that way my driveway isn't an ice rink. It's 50 degrees. It's kind of nice. Otherwise, I gotta take it through those miserable self-washing things, which either get me really cold and don't do a good job, or the ones that just go around you and end up corroding the shit out of your car. Anyway, FCP Euro. Thank you guys. I always appreciate a package from these guys. And I got a couple things. Two things I needed, and one thing I should have done a long time ago. So I ordered, finally, the tool for the oil filter housing, so I don't have to use my strap wrench anymore. Haha! And got some windshield wipers. But also, under the hood, a new oil cover cap thing because that filler cap is leaking quite a bit, and I'm kind of sick of looking at it. So I think that's it. I hope these are the right size. We shall find out. FCP has 3 available options. You can get the Bosch, the OEM BMW ones, or the Valeo. So I thought, nobody's out here really talking about which windshield wipers they like the most. And so I ordered the Valeos. And then when I mentioned it to a couple of my friends, they're like, oh, Bosch or die. And I'm like, okay. So apparently I was wrong about that. So anyway, let's see. That's probably the driver's side. Yes. This looks small. I hope this is the right size. It's a little small. There we go. Maybe it's a little small. Let's see about you. Hope you're the right size. Yeah, that's correct. All right, new wipers, pretty good. Well, seemed like the right size to me. That's not a very big gap, so I got no problem. Nice new wipers, very happy. Okay, step 2. Yeah, look at that. Always leaking. So, we got our new oil cap over here. And they do make a different one for the facelifted ones. This seems to be the only one you can really find for sale. Oof, that's gritty. Jesus Christ, that's disgusting. Gee, no wonder why it has a hard time sealing. These friggin' valve covers are just disgusting. Hope for the best. Okie doke. At least that's at idle. Not failing.
Still no leaks from that oil cap after I've been driving it, which is really nice to see, and these Valeo windshield wipers have been fantastic. They're ultra silent, which I would have shown you had I not just had the radio blasting while I was filming this, but the smaller passenger side wiper is only a hair smaller. It's completely unnoticeable unless you were to be holding it up against the OEM one side by side. And you may have noticed that I've been spending a lot of time with Aston Martin of New England. I've been working with them in order to help them boost their social media presence, which shouldn't be too hard because they have an incredible workshop. It's not simply a dealership. Here's a little taste. Thanks for watching, guys. Go over and hit that subscribe button and the bell, and check me out on Instagram at Tedward_IG. As always, don't forget to respect the drive.